one of his old buddies here, Rudy Giuliani, was disbarred in New York over efforts to overturn 2020 election. At least somebody's holding him accountable over here. Former President Trump's ex-lawyer, Rudy Giuliani, has been stripped of his license to practice law in New York over his lies and false statements about the 2020 election and his efforts to overturn Joe Biden's victory. On Tuesday, a panel of New York appellate court judges ruled that Giuliani not only deliberately violated some of the most fundamental tenets of the legal profession, but he also actively contributed to the national strife that has followed the 2020 presidential election, for which he is entirely unrepentant. Giuliani already faces criminal charges for election interference in Arizona and Georgia. His law license remains under review in Washington, D.C. I mean, these are people who, you look at it, they said like 44 of his former like aides and like
have all been charged with stuff.
It's crazy, man.
Yeah, no, it's not. It's just the whole thing is they have to wait to go after him because he's the president. But everybody else is fair game. They broke the law. And I remember Rudy, they served him on his birthday. He was making fun, you can't find me. And someone found his birthday party, and they served him. But I mean, like, dang, how the mighty have fallen. This man was the mayor of New York.
Remember there he was gonna be. He was crowned like he was gonna be one of the next president.
He was he was respected in New York.
I mean, you look at it back in the remember what did Biggie say? He said because Giuliani ain't trying to see no black man turn to John Gotti. So that's back in like 94, whatever. So that he was governor. I mean, what was he? A mayor of New York City, I believe he was, right?
Yeah.
He was mayor of New York City at the time. And so they didn't, I mean, the streets didn't like him, but the people did. After 2001, after 9/11 happened, everyone loved him. He was on TV every second of the day.
Because he cleared out the mob and stuff.
Yeah.
He took down a lot of, he did a lot of stuff, and just to watch him go crazy and believe all this stuff, he's so broke, he's been asked, Trump hasn't even paid him yet.
Trump ain't paying nobody, man.
He ain't paying nobody.
Trump like, you know what, man? You're going to have to get it out the mud with me. He's like, man, write a book or something. You know what I'm saying? You're going to get paid off the book you write. Just from being down with me, you're going to get paid off one of the books that you're able to.
Let me go get back them signed shoes I gave to Fat Joe.